So let's talk to Temple Ashaju, joining us at the rear end of the show today. Temple, good morning. Welcome to the program from the Nigerian Stock Exchange trading floor. Temple, this is the morning after. What are we learning today as far as the market is concerned? What's the word on the street for the equity space? The stock market is still very slippery. I know well, in a manner of speaking, I'm sure. But again, stocks are still there despite more than 2% gain yesterday by the banking index or the banking stocks. The stock market still finished in the negative territory.
Yeah, well, the market is still looking with good beats right now. We're seeing some mild gains, up some 0.06% in terms of the key benchmark indices. We're seeing the banks helping to push the indices up at this point. If you look at that sector, it's up some 0.32%. We're seeing the likes of Zenith Bank and First Bank currently up in the market, just the way they were up yesterday. If you look at the performance of the market yesterday, they were the ones that helped a little bit to moderate the losses that the market recorded yesterday, both. And I think the fact that there's been some kind of worrisome news around the banking sector in recent times, creating some kind of uncertainties in that sector. Some investors have had to do some load shedding, but it's also some kind of an opportunity for some smart investors to take advantage of that load shedding by some other investors in the market. Because if you watch critically, the Nigerian Stock Exchange has the banking sector almost always as the best picks for any investor, whether domestic or foreign investors, always. So they did valuation and realized that this presents some kind of decent opportunity for entry, and some investors took advantage of that because, as you know, almost all the market players right now are waiting and watching when Q2 numbers will come in by some of these banks. Perhaps it will be to their advantage.
Yes, but as far as the two big telecom companies are concerned, where is it now? The market was down negatively on Airtel. Anything changing this morning as we start another trading day? And for its main rival, MTNN?
So there was a heavy sell-off on Airtel yesterday. I think, of course, a lot of the subscribers of Airtel really know that what they had subscribed to during the IPO was for a long-term trading purpose or investment purpose. What we saw yesterday, the heavy load shedding was basically let us quickly sell down and invest some of this, whatever we can get from this particular trading or investment in some other companies, and then we can come back later. So we saw MTN yesterday, for example, rising, and of course today in early trades you're still seeing MTN going higher. I think basically it's just more buyers that we're seeing right now, investors trying to take position, take advantage of these low prices that we have in the market. So when the future comes, eventually they can sell and then make some profits.
Okay, let's see how things the rest of the day paces out. Anything else from the marketplace you think is of interest to us that we should think about?
So you have competition now in the telecom segment of the market. There's of course competition in the aviation side of the market as well. And of course, SACO's 2018, December 31st, 2018 numbers came in. SACO being a Skyway Aviation company now listed in the market. The top line looks fairly okay, some 6 billion naira posted there, but there's been a profit after taxes and losses. We also have loss before tax, not looking too good. But basically, investors will start watching this company, and of course, its main competitor in the market, to look at how they can put money on these passenger aircraft handling company, if there's any gain in it for them eventually. Although if you look at the numbers compared with the base year, it looks fairly good, kind of better than what we had in 2017.
Okay, I think we'll keep your eyes on the market, and do have a great day. Thank you everyone for watching, and goodbye from Lagos.